Okay, YouTube, let's create a database. Allow me split of a second here to clear this mess with the password because I don't use any. Now down there we need to have Sql Command Section. So this is the place where we will type things that we will type otherwise in MySQL terminal, like pure SQL commands, but we need to put that thing into some kind of variable, into some kind of handle. So let's say SQL command or something else, it's totally up to you. You can use here x66 if you like, and command is well known. Create database, let me see, address book, don't forget to close these things. So this is just preparation, okay? Now that's fine, that's one part of the story, but we need to actual execution of command. So we will use another section here, like check SQL commands, okay? And here we will have if statements, and we will use MySQLi query function. New stuff. MySQLi query function, and that thing demands two parameters. The first parameter will be actual connection. We must type that because how PHP will know otherwise what we are talking about. So yeah, connection, damn it, connection. And after that we need to say what we want to run, and this is that command, like a pile of instructions. So SQL command, and if everything is fine with this, we will print something like echo database created, because we are just here trying to create database, and that's it. We don't issue any commands here yet. So this is just the simple stuff. So this is the case if everything is fine, but if something is wrong, for example, if we already have database in our server, then we need to say something like echo SQL error or database exists or something like that. Is totally up to you, but I will concatenate this custom error message with generic error for MySQL from MySQLi like driver. MySQLi error, and here we need to type what connection we are using, because we can have multiple servers with the same database, so here you need to be precise. Now we are working with connection, that one, okay, which is defined here. Okay, now please note that we are using MySQLi error like a generic function, and up here we are just using connect error function that is dedicated for just connection, and down there this will think that will grab pretty much anything. Okay, so let's close that and let's issue our command. So where I was, yeah, refresh, and connection successful, database created. So we have concatenation here. Let me fix that like here, and one break, for example, and then down there we have all space here, so that's cool. Now we already have this database inside of our server, so now when I click refresh I will get into error. So connection is successful, that's fine, okay, we have connection, our server is alive, but this is our custom message, and generic message from system is can't create database, that one, database exists. So that's fine, that works. Let's go to our phpMyAdmin, refresh, and there you go, we have our database. No tables yet, but our thing works. So can you use any other thing here? Well, yes, you can use x66, whatever. Now let's issue our command again, refresh, database created, once more, something stupid, and refresh, and there you go. Now I in phpAdmin must have two additional things, So there you go. Well, I created stupid stuff here, so I need to delete it. So down there you have console, so you can click and you can just say drop database x66 and press Control and Enter in the same time. And there you go, MySQL returned an empty result, which means that everything is fine. Refresh and no x66. Another thing is, well, how to delete this basically. Yeah, let's use terminal again, like inside terminal. So drop database, what was it? Something like that, and Control Enter, and we just here have address book. So that's pretty much enough for this tutorial. Let's just check that manually, like show databases. Yeah, we need to use uppercase definitely, just to respect some rules. And after that use semicolon and press Control and Enter in the same time, and there you go, you have all results here. Now information schema, MySQL performance schema and PHP admin, that's like internal stuff. We just care about this database. So that's pretty much it. In the next tutorial we will create table, we will structure columns in it, so maybe it will be a little bit longer tutorial. So thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.